Here we are asked to simplify fully for 2 marks. If we see a negative power, we know a negative power means the reciprocal. In other words, to turn it upside down. Hence my first step is I'm going to rewrite my fraction as being 25y squared on the top over 64x to the power 6 on the bottom. And I simply write my power as positive, in this case positive a half. Applying the power to both the top and bottom of my fraction separately, I know that I've got a power raised to power, I multiply. 2 times a half is 1, and anything to the power 1 is just itself. Hence I'm just going to have y. If I've got a number inside, I have raised that number to the power outside. So in this case 25 to the power half, or power half means square root, and the square root of 25 is simply 5. Again, I could just put that into a calculator, 25 to the power half, it will tell me 5. So I've got 5y on the top. On the bottom, again, a power raised to power, I multiply. So 6 times a half will give us 3. So I've got x cubed. And again, if I've got a number inside, I raise that number to the power outside. So 64 to the power half. Power half means square root. Square root of 64 is 8. Again, I could type into a calculator 64 to the power half, and it would tell me straight away my answer is 8. So my final answer for 2 marks is 5y over 8x cubed.